I'm going to attempt to create this drawing, but before we can create the drawing, we have to create this part. So we're going to try and make this part from scratch. Take a look at the sketch. So, oops. I'm going to hit fit all in and put this back to that front view. So I'm going to try and duplicate that as best I can. I'm going to do this without a grid. You're going to see why here, but I'm going to have a bunch of weird numbers. Just going to make this part, show you how easy it is to adjust. We'll see how it goes. So I'm going to try and create a new part by hitting this part button. And I'm going to go into Sketch and select Sketch on the top left, and we'll go into the front view. I'm just going to kind of zoom up a little bit and just randomly pick a spot using a line. I'll come from here. I want to make sure it says 90 degrees. I know it was about 7 inches long, so let me zoom down enough. If that's about how long it was, and we want to be at 180, that's about how long the bottom line was. So if you just create the bottom line, that can kind of help you figure things out. And I just kind of came up to some random spaces. Again, I'm just using oof, I forgot to use my control button. When I move that, I'm just going to re-hit this flat button there. And then, let's see, we went up. Oh, shoot. I must have clicked on the accident. We'll go back. Let's go ahead and start on this side. Again, I'm just making a general shape. It just kind of went up something like this. Over something. I'm going to use that to help me line it up. Drop it down so it's horizontal. Drop it over here. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and create a hole in the center. So I'll just use this hole feature. I don't know, something like that, I think. And what I'm going to do here is get out a hole. And so that's how I sketch the shape. I'm going to remember to use my control button and the middle button so I can move this and get that pan arrow. Alright. So that's sketching a shape. I think I'll do a separate video on the dimensions.